Sanibonani, you guys, welcome back again to yet another video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for tuning in to Umkosi Nophilile. Thank you so much, you guys, for your love and support. So kindly subscribe. Mangaba subscribe, please do so, like a video, we share, and also you guys, please allow ama ads to run. Mangabe ke udlala video and then there's an ad. Please do let the ad play because we are now monetized. Thank you so much to those abangaskipi ama ads, you guys. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for your love and support. So guys, an update again, like bengishilo, you guys, angina story sigcwele ngoshebe shed, but ke I can see it is kind of like going around ukuthi uShepe Shed ngempela le yangozi yemoto idlule nomphefumulo wengane yakhe, you guys, ena 9 years into ekanjalo. So sengingabona ke eitorini ezimbalwa. He's also trending ka Twitter, abantu bekhuluma ngokuthi indlela uShepe Shed ayiyona. We all know uShepe Shed simlandela, you guys. People are crying ukuthi he's a reckless driver, uzomthola ashayela imoto angafakile ibhande angenzanga lutho nje, you guys, mhlambe sefonini enza ama live. They are calling him calling him out for being a reckless driver, but imagine being a reckless driver kuze kuphanisheke abanye abantu, mhlambe just like it's like he was with someone else, of which I think it was his baby mama ukhulufelo, because there's a photo or a clip that I saw where she's bandaged yonke le ndawo nje entanyeni, une bandage nje libalance intamo yakhe. Ukhulufelo is the woman yaka Shepe Shed. I think she's also a manager yaka Shepe Shed, and umama wengane yakhe into ekanjalo, because she is also head ubukeka nje that's if uyena, you guys, because what that is Khulufelo. So okay, I guess mhlambe he was traveling with ukhulufelo ngoba kunalaba kade bekhala ngokuthi how dare attend even ama gigs nomntana wakho, umntana na 9 years hamba kanjani naye kuma gigs on Twitter mangabe people are having a conversation, and then someone said no, it's not like ubeya naye ku gig, it's like ubeyomdropha ekhaya before ezoya ku gig. Yona into engiyithola, you guys, like I promise you ukuthi ngizobuya ngizona update mangabe sekukhona ngifind out. So okay, kuthi uShepe Shed there is a possible leg amputation ke, you guys, ukuthi unyawo lwakhe lunqumkile, mabe show you guys a broken leg, okusho ukuthi sekungenzeka mhlambe babuye nje balususe, that is a leg amputation. You know what, it's just horrible, you guys. uShepe Shed igama lakhe bathi ulihlohonolo chawuke uqhamuka ngase Limpopo, ungumuntu othanda ingane yakhe, you guys, nokuyiposta sayibona njalo laphana on social media. So ke leyo ngane iyona edlule emhlabeni kuleyo ngozi, kanti yena nomunye okade naye okungashiwo ngokuthi if it's a baby mama or, but we can see there is a video kuthiwa that's Khulufelo, which means Khulufelo is baby mama ka Shepe Shed, you guys, olimele kabuhlungu kuthiwa they are recovering ngase mtholampilo into ekanjalo. And yeah, man, kuthi abalimele ngempela, you guys. So uShepe Shed unyawo lwakhe lunqamkile. Those are the news that are going around. So a lot of people who kind of like saying, shame man, it's a pity ukuthi ulahlekele ingane yakho, but as for being a reckless driver, siyamazi uShepe Shed uhleli njalo a reckless, angazi, you guys. So again, someone said Shepe Shed was involved in another critical car accident and might have lost his leg on the spot. Heartbreaking. Shepe Shed confirms the heartbreaking news. His precious daughter has left this world, taken by the cruel hand of fate in a tragic car accident. Kuna clips lapana amaningi njengoba ngishilo, you guys, liyane ngiyibonile ka Shepe Shed nje you elele phansi kuningi lapha, you guys. I can't bring that clip here, I'm sorry, but it's such a heartbreaking clip yaka Shepe Shed desperate for impilo, kuthiwa unyawo lwakhe lunqamkile kuleyo ndawo. Indodakazi yakhe yashona lapho. Skotani Sapitori apologized to South Africans and Shepe Shed for blatantly saying Shepe Shed has passed away. Kuthiwa ke kukhona abantu, you guys, kade sebethi uShepe Shed ushonile, and I think they mistakenly heard ukuthi the daughter passed, so they were now saying Shepe Shed has passed. I heard ukuthi also Umusa Khawula kind of like also posted at the Shepe Shed passed away in a car accident. Guys, it's not uShepe Shed oshonile, ingane yakhe, allegedly his daughter passed away. Yena ke nomunye ongashiwongo lapho ngegama kuthiwa ke basesibhedlela bayalulama. So uSkhotani Sapitori bengilokhu ngibona abantu bekhala ngokuthi uSkhotani Sapitori usenkingeni ngalezi indaba zamanga, aloke busy ethi Shepe Shed has passed away, but he now has apologized, you guys, to South Africans and for blatantly saying uShepe Shed has passed away while he was on a stage at a gig in Chibeng, not far from Beggarsport on Sunday night. Uvele wayithula leyo ndaba stage ethi uShepe Shed ushonile, kanti akazizwanga kahle izindaba. In a turnover event, uShepe Shed survived the accident and was taken to hospital. The accident reportedly claimed his daughter's life, not his life. someone said he should apologize to him when he is better, you guys. Sisodabeni laphana lo kaShebe Shed ingozi ayitholile nokulahlekelwa umntana wakhe. So sisatrenda lezo zindaba, you guys. Nengane ke manje sesiyayibona kuyashiwo ngempela ukuthi he lost his daughter in that accident, you guys. So but according to Sunday World, uShebe Shed was with 3 other passengers. I thought 1. Actually, now they're saying 3. And the other passenger in the car when it collided with a truck and overturned, you guys. The musician was on his way to perform at an ANC Siyanqoba Rally celebration, a concert in Leboa. The event was now scheduled for Sunday, 9 June. The publication reports that the news of the little girl's passing was confirmed by Adidimalo Tsene, who is the spokesperson of the transport department. Confirm ukuthi ingane seyishonile into kanjalo. On various social media platforms, videos of a body of a child believed to be Shebe Shed's daughter have gone viral. So in one clip, the body can be seen lying covered next to the artist's damaged Volkswagen Polo. Another video shows the musician lying on the ground while paramedics treat his injuries near a stretcher. In the video, the Dilotsema raper's head and right foot are bandaged as he moans in agony and pleads for water. Shebe Shed has been involved in 2 accidents in 6 months. In January, the musician was involved in a car crash that resulted in his GTI being written off. So people are just crying about Shebe Shed being a reckless driver, you guys. So lawo ma clips okukhulunywa ngawo, you guys, ngiwaphethe, but ke indlela ayiwona nkosi yami, I can't. It's a pity, man, you guys. Speed recovery to Shebe Shed and those other guys they were with him there. I believe one of them is the baby mama, because there is a woman who is bandaged, like she is bandaged like so bad, you guys. They said that is Okolofel or something like that. So I do not know. So maybe I'll download it basically on my screen. But this is Shebe Shed's baby mama Ukhulufelo. Pray for her, guys. She didn't deserve this. So but that's Khulufelo. She is shame. Even her mouth is so bad. Woo, you guys. Kuningi, you guys. Ingozi kaShebe Shed ehambe nempilo yomntanakhe. Someone utena lana speedy recovery to Shebe Shed, but let us be honest. Do you think this is reckless behavior that caused this, or just pure witchcraft, you guys? Angazi njengoba sesizosola futhi ubuthakathi kuzo zonke lezi zinto, you guys. Shame. Someone saying my heart is so heavy. Strength to Shebe Shed and his family. He loved his daughter so much. May Ntati Shet's soul rest in peace. Speedy recovery to him and strength to the mother as well. Kuningi, you guys, yona nto engiyiphetheke when it comes to uShebe Shed. Kuthiwa kunabantu athi ubehamba nengane yakhe eya kugig, mhlawumbe ingane bizohamba nonina nalaba abanye. Some are saying no, he was actually going to drop off umntana kubo. You know what, stories are just going to come. But anyways, sizwelana nayo uShebe Shed, you guys, nakonke kwenzekile. He is trending #1. He's trending everywhere, you guys. Ama clips wakhe siwabonayo lana ayadabukisa when he's lying down, is so desperate for help. And you guys, may the beautiful soul of his daughter rest in peace. And nabo sengathi bangalulama ngokushesha. nguShebe Shed, you guys, from Limpopo. Thank you so much ukuthi imamele le video. Mangabe kukhona kokuvelayo nkosi yami sengizobuye ngize naleyo update. Like i video, subscribe, ubuye share. Sizobonana njalo ku video elandelayo. Bye.